What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this amazing raised garden bed I was gifted by OLLE. I'm going to link where you can buy your very own below, so don't worry, I got you. And let's get right into the video. So the directions are very simple. First, you want to remove the protective film prior to assembly. This was probably the most tedious part because you had to remove it from each panel, but after this, everything is very simple. So I love these raised beds are designed to fit your backyard space or patio because you can design them into multiple configurations, and I love the quality material of these raised beds. They are made of corrugated steel with zinc aluminum coating, so they are weather and rust resistant. So again, it's very simple. Pick which style fits your space. Then you want to match up the panels and corners with a bolt and a washer on the outside and the nut on the inside, and you can tighten with your hand or a tool. Then you want to secure the safety rubber capping on the top of the garden bed like this, and you're all done. And that's how you assemble the cheapest and most quality garden bed you can buy on Amazon. As you can see, it's raining today, but I'll be back with part 2 once the weather clears up, and I'll show you guys what I'm planning on planting inside of my garden bed. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and happy planting, guys!